excited to share with you this absolutely free and very useful tool that you can use in your classroom. So, this is called the Rapid Recognition Chart Generator. And perhaps you have a student who is still in the acquisition phase of learning letter sounds, or perhaps decoding words, or even struggling to become fluent in reading words, phrases, or sentences. This is a tool that you can use to provide daily support and practice for those students. So whenever you click on the link in the caption, you will be able to make a copy of this Google Sheet. So within this Google Sheet, it gives you the directions on the first page, but what we will do, we will go to the tab that says words. Now on this tab, in these white boxes, you can input whatever you are working on with your student or your groups of students. So, for example, let's say that you have a group of students who is just really struggling with their short vowel sounds. So, we want to practice it, right? Now, if you teach diacritical marks to your students, you can find these over here to simply copy and paste. If not, no worries, you can simply type into the white boxes. So, for example, like I said, we're working on those short vowel sounds. Let's type them in. And we're going to put E in there one more time because that one's a little bit tricky for some of our students. So simply type in what you need to work on, then go to the bottom. You will see that there are 5 different charts. If you click on that first chart, you will see that it has randomly populated what you input into those white boxes. So then you can print these out with students, and students can simply practice by reading across. Now, here's the really cool part. What you can do on your end on the computer is you can simply type in the number of correct. So students would go across, they would have to produce the sound. So for example, they would say a, e, I, e, and then you could type how many they got correct. And so let's say we'll do an example. They got 3 correct, 4, 4, 3, 4, okay? So then down here, it automatically populates the percent correct and also the total correct. Now, this is fabulous for data collection. So even those general education teachers that are providing that intervention within their classrooms, or let's say within an intervention setting, this is gonna be awesome because you can use this data to collect for specific students, or even provide it for case managers or special education teachers. So you will also see at the bottom, there's not just one chart, there are 5 charts. So let's say that you want to do this one on Monday and you want to do a different one each other day of the week. And so again, they're completely random, so no 2 are the same. You will again have that option to put the number correct there. Now, I said this was the cool part, but there's an even cooler part because on the very last tab, there are graphs. So this is great for all of your data nerds, your special education teachers, your school psychologists. This is fabulous, something that you can easily just print out and provide them. And so you'll be able to see, the number correct, the percent correct, as you fill out those charts. Now, it doesn't just stop at the sound level. If you are working on a specific phonics concept with students, you can also put those words in here too, those decodable words in there. You can also, let's say that you are working on fluently reading phrases and sentences. You can also type those in those white boxes. So really the options are endless, and they're going to be based on your scope and sequence that you're using with your students. So again, this is completely free. The link will be in the caption. You can use this. You can print the charts off. You can collect all of your data. It makes everybody's lives a lot easier, and your students are going to be working on becoming more fluent in their letter sound correspondences, their word reading, phrase reading, or even sentence reading. So I hope this tool is helpful for you and your students. And if you use it, let us know, drop a comment. We'd love to hear how it works for you, or if you have any questions or need support in using this in your classroom. So happy back to school.